Hey everyone, welcome back to another math video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about what a sector is inside a circle and how to find its area. Let's go ahead and let's get started. So here I have an image of a sector highlighted in a sort of peach color. Okay, so sector is a portion of a circle, kind of like looks like a pizza slice here. And today we're going to try to find the area of this piece. So we need two pieces of information in order to do this. The first piece of information that we need is the arc angle that it creates. So here I need the arc angle, which is n, and we also need to know the radius r. What we do is we take our arc angle and we divide it by 360. Then we multiply that by pi r squared, where r is our radius of the circle. And that'll tell us the area of this sector. So let's go ahead and let's practice doing this with a couple problems. For the first problem here, it wants us to find sector DEF. So we need to find the area. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the formula for the area, which is n degrees over 360 times pi r squared. Okay, and remember that we do have the two pieces of information here. We know that n is 52 degrees, and we know that r is 12. So we simply plug this in. Our area is going to equal 52 divided by 360 times pi r squared, which in this case r is 12. Okay, and again, I got that 52 from the arc angle, and I got this R12 from our radius. So I can go ahead and do 12 times 12 and get rid of that 12 squared real quick. 52 divided by 360. I know that 12 times 12 is 144. So I have 144 pi. Now what I want to do is I want to type this into a calculator. I would do 52 divided by 360 times 144 times pi, or I can do 144 pi. Okay, doing that though, you should get 65.3 if we're rounding to the nearest tenth, and that would be the area of this sector DEF. Let's go ahead and let's look at another problem. So here it's asking find this area of sector GHJ. So again, let's write our formula. N degrees over 360 times pi r squared. And for this one, it looks like I'm gonna have to work just a little to find my arc angle. But if you're familiar with arcs, you should know that the central angle, which is that angle on the inside, is actually the same as your arc angle. So I know that this is 163 degrees. So I'm going to take this number and plug it in for n, and I'm going to take my radius of 9 and plug it in for r. So I get A equals 163. Divide that by 360 and multiply that whole thing by pi, and then r is 9, and we square that. So then I'm left with A equals 163 over 360 times 9 is 81 pi. Okay, again, multiplying this all out on a calculator, 163 divided by 160, then we multiply by 81 and pi, you would get 115.2. And that there would be the area of our sector. So hopefully now you're able to understand what a sector is and how to find the area to it. If you got kind of lost and when I said the words arc and central angle, you might want to watch the video that I did on arcs. Other than that, I just want to thank you for watching, and I hope you guys continue to learn some math.